tuning. Today's episode we're going to continue with the Carina. We're going to get some air in the tyres and see if we can push it outside. Seems to be holding air. I've just popped it into neutral, so now we'll try and push it back. Hopefully, fingers crossed, the brakes aren't seized on. Well, that's not a good sign. Looks like I'll be jacking the car up, taking all the wheels off and see if I can release the brakes. So we'll pop the wheel trim off first. That's a good sign they're not actually seized on. So it looks pretty much the same setup as the Celica, if you can see that. Let's get the other light. Yeah, pretty rusty. They're actually seized on solid. Not too bad condition. Front shock is pretty crispy. I think a good coat of paint. Bring it up, clear all this out of here. It's not helping. It's just generally just surface rust, it's just been stood, I think. And the next thing is a good soak with some WD. And see if we can actually remove all the caliper. $14mm socket. Nice and easy. That's one. I know you shouldn't really put WD-40 on brakes, but just to free them up, release any rust. There we go. Starting to go. Yeah, she's in there, nice and solid. Not in bad condition. A bit rusty, but still seem more intact. So I think a good wire brush and a clean up, they might be okay. Rest that there for now. And get the pads out because I think they've actually seized to the actual discs. There's one. There we go. And the hub's free, that's good. Yes, I think it's going to need a good wire brush and a clean up. I think the pads aren't actually too bad. So I'll probably pop those back in and clean them all up and pop them back in. There's a little bit of scoring on the actual disc faces, but it's not actually too bad. I think once that's been run a few miles, that'll all wear off. I'm glad that's free. So it's just the general clean up now. And I'll do the other side. I'll give it a bit of a spray down with some brake cleaner. It's all in pretty good condition. It's just general wear and tear and rust, I think. I'll probably paint all this up as well. The actual dust shields at the back look in pretty good condition. Maybe a little bit of rust at the bottom. Sliders are all free. Retaining clips back in. I'm surprised these are actually still here. Just rusted away. Right, there we go. So at least this one's free. It's actually moving quite nicely now. A little bit cleaner. When the actual car is actually all running correctly, I'll probably whip all these brakes off again, do a proper service, paint all this shock up as well, I think. See if we can't clean that up a little bit more. A bit crusty, but it's not too bad, it's pretty solid, just surface rust. In general, pretty solid, a little bit of surface rust there, but that's solid, so that'll have to be treated. A little bit here, where plastic clips usually go on, but in general, it ain't half bad. The bushes are pretty good in condition on the anti-roll bar. No visual signs of cracking, no signs of cracking on the actual steering rack gaiter. I'm probably just going to give it a dose down with WD-40 now, and then I'll put the wheel back on and this side's done. I'll get on to the other side. That old beastie. There's a few of these in here. Off you go. Go on. So again, same as the other side, pretty crusty, but overall not too bad. Right, so I managed to get it rolling, but I'm thinking I'm going to have to get the engine running before I actually do any more work to it, because it's so goddamn heavy. It really is a big old beast, and I'm on my own, so I think it's going to be next stage engine service, get it started. So I'll get online tonight and I'll order the battery and all the service kit that I need, and then we'll see if we can get it started, and hopefully next week we'll drive it out and give it a good clean. So I hope you'll join me on that one. I'm absolutely knackered trying to push this beast backwards and forwards. So see you next time. Cheers.